This is an 11-minute video. My wife and I, you guys need to watch the birds, seriously, okay? This is a 10-minute video. Pay attention to the birds and what they do, okay? Like I said, the birds are not from Earth. You need to keep an open mind. Please, what I'm showing you is important, okay? They do some, just watch.
Where are you birds at? Ooh! Oh, that's pretty. Okay, they want us to see this. Look at this. This is the universe. You're not. Look at the bird right there, by the way. We're gonna look up real fast. Pretty birds. These birds aren't from Earth, guarantee it. More. Give me more. That little flashing right there, that's a verification. These birds are not from Earth. I'll show you up here. So these are birds in charge, by the way. Little freaking fuzzballs. Yeah. Look at the clouds. Pretty. Look around. Down there. Flying by over there. Look at you. To the birds and just follow them. Okay, right now they're disappearing. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Oh no, cool. Keep it up. More birds. I'm zoom all the way out. Kind of like the ants, huh? Nope, they are not. These birds are not from Earth. All of them. I know. They're saying, look over here. Beautiful. I think they're going to disappear for you. Look at this. That means yes? Okay. My goodness, this is pretty. Pay attention to that. Okay? Whoa, what was that? Oh, no, not too low, yeah. Look at that. Where you guys going? Oh my goodness, there's more. Oh wow, I see. This one bird going back over here. That one's in charge. Saying, all right, you birds, get in line. I'm the other bird in charge. You guys are doing good job. Good job. It means, I don't know what it means. It's like, whatever, human. Where'd the birds go? Oh, it's still there. All over here. Kind of hard to see. What? Birds. Oh well, let's look over here. Oh, I'll go over here. They're showing you stuff to dig down. In aircraft, by the way. Going over. Better not just be audio. And while we're waiting, Why we're waiting. Oh, there it is. Look, hi. How are you? It's that bird saying, we made this, believe it or not. Look, watch. You ever seen anything like that? Here's the other one confirming. Okay, they're all the same thing. They're flying birds. Even the spacecraft. Beautiful. I want to show you one more thing too. Look at the clouds now. Okay, this is them. Notice there's another bird. Back over. Up here again. I think we're good. Oh God. Dragonfly? Beautiful. I can't believe that. Dragonfly's not burned. Yep. Remember, the universe is everybody. Everybody. Thank you, Dragonfly. And a dragonfly. See how it fuzzed in and out? That's how I can tell. That's the universe back there. There's the train. Right up. Sky. Oh. Here. I swear I don't know where to look all the time. Next bird. Oh, you need another aircraft. Thank you. Thank you. There. Look at that. I know what you are. And remember, these are projections. These are not they're not aircraft. They're smaller spacecraft put together. See, they're showing you. Look where it's flying in front of. Back to the birds. As they fuzz out. Now, I don't know if they're going to disappear for you or what, or they're going to come back to reality. Oh, you got me a train too? No, that means that there's going to be a train simulation now. Okay, it's coming from that's right. Let's do this. Let's walk over to this crossing right here. This is an active crossing. Okay, see the crossing, right? See it, okay. Let's look down here. Now, hear the train. Hear the train coming, right? Plenty of time. Here, while we're waiting for the train, show you this. Again, there's the crossing right here. See, the arms are up. Now look. Look down there. Now, as far as I know, this crossing should be going off by now. Again, I don't hear anything down there either. And this is a big train. A big, heavy train. The dog's even looking. Like the dog's saying, how come there's no... There we go. Here we go. They're going down like they should. Good job. All right, that train right there. Up with the birds. Look at all the birds. You're watching the train. You're watching the birds. You're watching this bird here. These are long trains. Oh, look.
here.